Greenville shit. NC 252. I got two of the hottest spitters on this motherfucker. My nigga Shots. Suspect. Let's go. Yo, hey yo, live from Carolina, son, the livest one. Representing NC to the fullest. Brass Daruga, rap student, the pack mover. You rap losers, give me a reason to act foolish. I dare you to start beef, split you to the white like shark meat. Stump your ass out in these Barclays. Grew up on Clark Street, whoever would've thought it would progress. Right behind Newtown Projects. Town full of niggas that be hating shit. Stinking ass bitches all in my relationship, but I don't pay attention to them. They clowns to me. Probably mad cause they best friends be down for me. And all you local ass rappers, I ain't popping the dead shit. I leave you marinating in your blood like breadsticks. Live pussies, bout to be dead dicks. I pop the lead quick, new Glock with fresh kicks. And just because you might have seen me in the Ville, bro, we ain't gotta do a song, let alone chill though. I swear this shit go harder than a pair of steel toes. Kicking shit off in my song and it's not a field goal, nigga. I mean, I feel like I'm one of the hottest niggas in Greenville. You feel some type of way about it? Come live and direct. Don't be subliminal, nigga.
Yo, why you pressure me to vote? I roll the pressure up and smoke louder than the stethoscope. My niggas the next to blow. Niggas the snakes. I don't really run with a crew. Can't throw it the peace sign without the middle finger too. Fuck a record deal. I give it to you for free. They ain't got no real bread. All they pockets on gluten free. You owe me, it's my money I want. You can pay me in person or pay at the pump. Niggas is punks. I don't like the way they maneuver. One shot to blow your eardrums backwards. Ray Schumer. They love to start rumors. That don't stop my money. So you could use my dick for a CPR dummy. Cause if a lame nigga wanna harm my family, slugs will rearrange his body like Dr. Miami. Understand me? You know we do this with ease. Trap jumping like the liquor store on New Year's Eve. Best believe the illest nigga spitting today. Flow sick, can't work FMLA. Shots and Ruger brass, damn right I die for him. I don't need a front camera for me to get live on him. Know what I'm saying? We been doing this shit for too long. Niggas can't fuck with us. Bring all my niggas with me. Yo, Shots.
Yo, I'm from the city of hate, where them young niggas move with the 8, and they'll put a boot print on your face for the love of the cake. I seen brothers do some terrible things, body stiffing when that metal goes zing. Niggas know what I mean. Carolina boys stuck in the mix. The flow is sick like a heroin simp. You don't get it, I'm swift. Ball analogy, nice as an art gallery. Just know I've been a drill since birth, before allergy. Sheesh, I'm out of pocket like plugs without a socket. My bitch short but catch deep balls like Tyler Lockett. It's real. You don't understand the shit that I spill. It's not for everyone like cooking with Ville. I'm the nigga that's ill. 10 boots on, ride around in the Yukon. You pop slick and get your shit clipped like a coupon. I seen the slug turn the toughest nigga to a newborn. So watch your mouth, dick. Be careful what you want for real. Yeah, nigga, be careful what you want, nigga. Hey, shout out to my nigga Ruger Brass, Suspect from K-Town to the Ville, nigga. Mitchell Wooten Projects, all my up the hill niggas, all my down the hill niggas. You know what time it is. Let's get to the money. Non-stop. 2 guns up, bitch.